In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the AI Write About command. This command generates concise paragraphs on topics you choose. When you provide a subject, the AI identifies key details and creates a clear, relevant paragraph. AI Write About works within chat conversations, ticketing, and the knowledge base. Here's how it works. When you're in a conversation or responding to a ticket, click the / icon at the bottom left corner of the chat screen, then select the AI commands icon. Choose AI Write About from the list of commands. Type the topic you want to write about, and press Enter. The command will instantly generate a paragraph on your chosen subject. To use AI Write About in the knowledge base, start by creating an article. Enter a /, click the wand icon, and select AI-Write About. Then, type the topic you want to write about. Press Enter, and the command will create a clear and relevant paragraph on your topic. For further instructions on how to use this function, visit our AI Assist Academy or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist today.